So guys, you have to excuse my heavy breathing, but I've just put this big oak burst slab onto the new addition to the workshop. It didn't cost me a lot actually. I bought this at auction for 20 quid, and what I bought it for was for this. Really was to see whether it would help me with my back. So it's the first time I've done this. I've basically put a 2x2 frame on top with a bit of 18mm Mr. resistant MDF. I've loaded that on there. Let's see whether this bed can lift this slab up. So far so good. Now for £20 at auction, it's the best 20 quid I've ever spent. There she is. What do you think of that, guys? So now I'll be able to move that round nice and easy and save my back. What do you think about that? Now that is a good, I would say 90 kilograms lump of oak there. And look how easy it is for me now to spin that around, go over to the CNC machine and literally slide it straight on without hurting my back. Now for me, fantastic, 20 quid well spent. And what it is, it's an old hospital bed. So you guys out there that are my age, nearly 40, been lifting this stuff for a long time, go and hunt these auctions and find yourself an old bed and give it a new lease of life. I mean, look at this, for 20 quid now. It's on great four wheels, and I don't care, it takes a long time. My back's more important than the speed this can lift this slab up and down. I thought I'd do a video for you guys so you can see it, and it's the first time I've done it, and I'm really pleased. Really pleased with that. It's fantastic, isn't it? So, what's my motto? Slower you go, the faster you go. This will give me another 25 years worth of work. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell, and you'll be notified of all my latest videos. My name's Ryan, I'm from Western Timber Limited, and I'm now based in South Wales. Thank you for watching.